Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for those small videos that I really regularly post on my channel. I'm gonna be quick because my phone is about to die and I don't have that much battery. I'm happy to see you again here. I'm in Tromsø, I'm in Norway after 2 weeks of traveling in Iran, an amazing country. I hope you enjoy all the pictures that I posted on my social media. Don't hesitate to go back, to like, to comment. I will be happy to answer to you. I'm back here in Norway for a few days because on Sunday I'm heading to another country, Azerbaijan, which I know, which was not the case of Iran, a country that I discovered. But I'm going to go back to Azerbaijan, where I've been there like a couple of times, and I'm really happy. I'm going to spend 1 week there, and I'm going to propose you more pictures, more portraits and landscape photography, and I hope that you're going to enjoy it. Tonight I'm here. So I'm in northern Norway, in Tromsø. The weather was just amazing today. Blue sky, almost no clouds, which I don't really like, generally speaking, because I like when there are clouds and when there are structure in the sky. But to be honest, that was just an amazing day, a beautiful day. Temperature around 5, 6, 7 degrees. Under the sun was totally acceptable, and we are in between two seasons, between winter and summer. It's a transition period. For photographer, often people say it's not an interesting season because the northern light season is over, the midnight sun is not yet here, almost. But for me it's also very interesting because the light is changing all the time. I had a beautiful sunset tonight over the fjord. You can see it's super calm, it's super quiet, super peaceful, and that's what I was looking for after 2 crazy weeks in Iran. What I've done tonight, you can see my camera is here, a strange setting. My camera is not on top of the tripod but under, because I wanted to take that shot of that fjord from a low perspective, from a low angle, to have the first stones here really clear, sharp, clear, and the background as well. So I use that setting of the tripod to have my camera really at almost in the water and to be able to shoot from 0 to infinity, super clear, super sharp. I used the focus stacking for that special image. I hope it's gonna work because it's not easy with the camera upside down. All the settings, everything is just on the other side, and it's not easy to set up the camera. But I hope I could manage it, and I hope you will enjoy those pictures in tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. As I said, I'm back here in Norway, northern Norway. Quiet time. The last few days I could take a few shots around the lakes where I'm staying at. But the weather was not extraordinary, but you could see that the ice is melting, the colors are changing, and in a few days all the migratory birds gonna be back. Some of them are already here, and they're gonna be back here to nest and to grow their family. And of course I will propose you also those kind of pictures, wildlife photography, in the upcoming weeks when I'm going to be back here in Norway after that week that I'm going to spend in Azerbaijan. And actually after Azerbaijan I'm going to be also a couple of days in Budapest, and I will do some city shots, and I hope once again that you will like them. Don't hesitate to join me on my social media here on YouTube. You can get registered so you will receive regularly information. Don't hesitate to comment under the videos, to say if you like, if you don't like, if you have questions, if you have comments. Please, I'm going to be happy to answer to you. And also to join me on Facebook, Flash Artist Inventeur d'Images, and on Instagram at Messner, MESSNER Photography. I'm not going to be more longer because it's already 4 minutes and 30 seconds and my phone is beeping and buzzing because it's low battery. I just once again wanted to offer you that landscape, that panorama, so you can enjoy, as I do, that beautiful northern Norway. See you soon, and I hope you'll have a nice evening. Bye bye.